Have you dreamed of operating big equipment? Then it's time to consider learning to operate an excavator, a very powerful and versatile machine.
An excavator has a long jointed arm, sometimes called a boom or a stick, with a bucket at the end. The arm and the cab in which the operator sits are mounted on a rotating platform that turns completely around. Sometimes, out on a job site, you'll hear an excavator called a 360.
Add in the fact that it can be tracked or wheeled, that it comes in all sizes, and that you can add on a variety of attachments, and you'll see the excavator is one of the most versatile pieces of heavy equipment out there.
As an excavator operator, you'll dig holes, trenches, ditches, and foundations for buildings. You'll backfill and load trucks with earth and other materials.
Excavators are used on a wide range of projects, from road building to industrial construction to mining to pipelining.
Experienced excavator operators will tell you how important safety is. You'll have to avoid hitting cables, valves, pipelines, and other equipment and workers. So that means knowing what's under, above, and around you at all times.
As an excavator operator, you'll be in big demand on the job site, carrying out numerous tasks. You'll never be bored, and you've got to dig that.